no! No! Stop! Turn him off! He's gonna break! Package from Disney.
What is it?
Only one way to find out. Open it up.
Baby Yoda!
Another Baby Yoda. Oh my gosh.
Why does it come with that? Open! No.
Don't we have like 2 or 3 Baby Yodas already?
I don't even.
Well, what does this Baby Yoda do? Grogu, the remote control Baby Yoda. Tina pre-ordered this a couple weeks ago and it looks like it just got released. He'll follow you, curious, joystick, hide and seek, and he makes sounds. All right, cool. The pre-order also came with this. What do you think?
That's so cool.
That'll look great in Daddy's new game room.
It looks great in my room. The purple one makes his arm go up and down.
Okay, so purple, it says force movement. There's the force. Whoa.
And the orange one makes his head turned back and forth.
Orange does the head action. Oh, he's a noisy little guy.
And the
Yellow does the follow.
So, with the yellow one, you're going to walk with your hands down by your waist.
Walk with your hands.
Hands by your waist and we'll follow you. Yep.
Oh, he's gonna follow you, Maya.
This?
Yeah. Well, you... He can't, you're too far away. You're making him cry.
This way! This way!
Looks like you got a new friend there, Maya. Oh my gosh. What'll they think of next? I'm sure my wife will buy it.
And
Red is curious. Whoa.
no, baby. Oh my god. I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh, that was scary.
Green would be the sounds. Blue up here is hide and seek.
That's hide and seek mode.
Oh, he's gonna go hide somewhere, I guess.
No, he's gonna look for you.
Oh, he's looking for you. So he's
Oh my
looking.
god!
This is hide and seek, so he's trying to find Maya. I think he's lost. I think he took a nap.
Uh-oh, you're left behind.
What's this red button? It looks like he goes around in.
The red center button is how you move him around. Use the joystick to move the child forwards, backwards, side to side. Okay, so that just moves him. This came out to $69.99.
What?
We had a couple gift cards, so only cost us $20. Otherwise, I would not be happy right now if my wife spent $70.
I'm not gonna really hide hard.
Hide and seek. He found you, Maya. He's looking for He's trying to find you.
Baby Yoda came back.
Oh,
Oh no, Ronnie!
here he comes.
You can see your feet.
Oh, he's looking for you.
Ronnie,
Here he comes. He's still looking for you. Oh no! No! Stop! Turn him off! He's gonna break!